Hey guys, DJ here, and in this video I'm going to be talking about the web scraping programs that come with membership in my AI tool. So there's two of them. We have Scraping Tool Pro, which is for Pro members, and Scraping Tool Premium, which is the souped up AI powered version for premium members. So let's get into it. So we need to find out what command we need, and they're programs, so they're going to be in the programs. So we go and pull up programs. And we have Scraping Tool Pro we need to call. And I need to adjust my roles to set myself to have the Pro role. Do that real quick. And as you can see, this is a perfect example of I didn't have the Pro role assigned to me, so I can't access the Scraping Tool Pro. Now we try again. I have the correct role, and I get a direct message from the bot. It asks for what URL I want to data mine. So we need to copy paste the full URL for this one. We're going to data mine Google. We're scraping the Google web page, and it generated the file. It sends it to us in text format. So we can go and pull that up and see what it looks like. And for lack of a better example, you are going to have a ton of data to parse through. And this is a little bit of what it looks like. Now, there's really not a reason to scrape Google, but say you want to data mine a competitor's website for maybe agents you want to recruit, or you need to scrape possible clients off of, say, like a Facebook group, something like that. It's great for picking up clients and people you'd like to work with. Let's just say that. Okay, so with that out of the way, now we are going to give it a run on Scraping Tool Premium and see what that looks like. And just to make sure here, I have the premium role, so I'm not going to run into any issues. So we try that. Now, like I said, Scraping Tool Pro, you need the full URL. It just runs on one domain, and that's it, right? Scraping Tool Premium, as you're going to see, it'll run on about 20-ish top-level domains, and it searches for both HTTP and HTTPS domains. And the great thing about Scraping Tool Premium is that you only need the actual domain part of the domain name, and it'll intuitively find both the front end and the top level domain for the domain that you're looking for. So here, let me show you what I mean. So we go fire it up with Scraping Tool Premium. We get a DM from our bot, and again we want to look up Google, but this time all we need to do is type in Google. We can leave the rest blank, and my tool will find it all for you. So it's going to take a minute to loop through all the possible Googles that we can find, and it parses out the ones that don't exist, and it will save the ones that do exist into a text file like I showed earlier, and then it will produce the text file for you. So as you can see, it appears we found at least 5 Googles. Now we have 9 Googles. What is that, 11 Googles? So there are all the Googles. It sends us in a text file. It lets us know how many scrapes we have left remaining. And then we can go pull it up. And this is what this file looks like. And it's the same thing. All the Googles are the same. So it gives us, in this example, the exact same output as the Scraping Tool Pro. And that's what that looks like, basically. So that's a quick rundown of how the scraping programs that my AI has works. If you would like to learn more or have questions, feel free to reach out to me or check out my website, tools.davejmayer.com.